how to adjust color filter strength in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. In here, swipe across and tap on color filter. Now from here, you can swipe across and then choose a color filter that you would like to use. You can even create your own custom filter. Okay, so here I will swipe across and choose a pulse filter. Now to change the strength of your filter, tap on the strength option at the top here. And then from here you can drag on the slider bar to the right or to the left to decrease the strength or to increase the strength of your filter. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.